Welcome to ShipVista Connect. We're excited to help you simplify your shipping process and take advantage of our exclusive promotion. With ShipVista Connect, you can easily send packages across Canada with seamless label printing and drop-off options. Connecting with our sales team at ShipVista is simple. Follow these easy steps to get started with ShipVista Connect. First, go to the ShipVista homepage. Once you're there, look at the top navigation bar. In the navigation bar, find the Partners drop-down menu, click it, and then select Fulfillment Partners. This will take you to a list of our trusted carriers. From the list, find and click on ShipVista Connect. This will bring you to our dedicated ShipVista Connect page, where you can fill out a contact form to get in touch with our sales team. You'll see a form with a few required fields. Here's what you'll need to fill in. Company name. Enter the full name of your company. Contact person. Provide the name of the person we should connect with. Enter a phone number where we can reach you. Select Canada, as ShipVista Connect currently serves customers within Canada. Enter a valid email for future correspondence. Add your company's website URL. Ensure it's formatted correctly. Select an estimated shipping volume. Upload a document as proof of annual volume. This file can be up to 25 MB. Enter the address of your main distribution center. Choose your industry from the drop-down menu. If it isn't listed, select Other. Once all fields are completed, double-check your entries to ensure accuracy. If the website format isn't correct, it will alert you, so make sure it's correct. When everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit.